Hey there, Pisces. This is Sophie, you guys. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription box under below and follow me on Instagram at Sophie Clairvoyant because I am uploading there the thumbnails of the videos. At least you'll be updated right away. And I am posting a card or readings as well over there. Okay, and you can check out on my description box to see the schedule of my daily uploads. Okay, Pisces, so let's get started. On this video, we're going to talk about what's going to happen for the entire week when it comes to your love life situation. Okay, are you ready? So let's get started on a Monday. It seems like you had a very hard time settling things with another person, and on a Monday it seems like it has already been settled. Whatever it is that you've been dealing with regard to a connection to a particular person, it will be settled on a Monday. There will be settlement on a Monday. Or you're thinking about marriage, there's a possibility you guys are talking about marriage, Pisces, or you guys are settling with each other about a particular issues that has been bothering both of you. On a second day, guys, which is Tuesday, it seems like Pisces, you want to be alone, you want to have space because it's too much for you to handle whatever it is that you have been feeling inside. Let me tell you, Pisces, it's not really all about the person. It's all about the five energies right now: new moon, summer solstice, eclipse, retrogrades on Mercury and Venus. These five energies have been giving you a very weird effect when it comes to your emotions and mindset. So be careful, guys. It's not you, it's them. Okay. On a Wednesday, guys, Pisces, it seems like you feel super disconnected with your love interest. It seems like you do not feel the connection anymore. It seems like you're telling yourself, is it even worth it? Is it even gonna lead too far or something? I do not understand. I do not understand. The thing is with this Pisces is that there is an after effect of what you have felt on a Tuesday. It's like a continuation. It's like you thought it's ending on a Tuesday. No, it will continue on a Wednesday, guys. Please be prepared for that because it seems like you're gonna be looking like a weirdo or feeling like a weirdo towards this person that you're dealing with. You do not want that, right? And you better do some self check. Is it really you, or is it because of the five energies affecting you? And on a Thursday, guys, I can sense, oh, see, you have 2 days of this one kind of weird feelings. And on a Thursday, you go back again to your old self, the giving and taking, the fairness. I want to get back to you. I'm so sorry if I feel like this. I hope you forgive me, kind of drama. Okay, you're back to your normal self on a Thursday. At least this hiatus is like good for 2 days only. It did not last for 1 week. On a Friday, guys, I can sense you're so focused on one direction when it comes to the connection. Before, you are having doubts, you are at a crossroad on how to handle the situation. But now on a Friday, you are able to do it because of your change of focus. Okay, and on Saturday, here we go again. Pisces, it's not the for the entire week. It seems like you're getting bipolar already. Your moods are changing. On a Saturday, you're kind of shaky. Your energy is kind of off. Again, because of the presence of the five energies, you have 3 out of 7 days feeling like this, and it is as if it's really taking its toll on you, and it has an impact on your connection with the other person. So be careful. Another thing, Pisces, on a Sunday, you do not want to think anymore. It seems like you're totally bothered, but want to shut down your brain, your mind, because you're overthinking again, you're overanalyzing things again, and you're assuming things even though they are not the way they are. Okay? You're not basing it with facts. You're basing it with how you feel, and sometimes your feelings can cloud your logic. Do remember that, Pisces. Okay? So this is your reading for the entire week, and if you have more time, you can watch my playlist down there, the uploaded playlist, outcomes between you and your ex, and outcomes between you and your love interest for the entire week. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, you guys, and subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the all notification bell And also you can go on my Instagram and follow me at Sofrel Carvoyan for the thumbnail so that you'll be updated right away when I posted this one. And also for the card readings if you're interested. Okay, thank you so much, Pisces. Sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.